Friends, my name is Viraj. Today I would like to show you how to use between operator in MS SQL. So let us begin with our tutorial. So first we will create a database. Database name will be online shopping slash db. Just simply select and execute it. Select your login and password. So my database is created. Just select your database. After that, create a table. Table name will be customer. Then we will pass four parameters: CID, begin, fee name, varchar 50, fee country, varchar 200, comma, fee price float. Now simply select and execute it. So our table is created. After that, we will insert some data. So write insert into customer value open a bracket, close it, 1 comma, name of the customer Viraj, country India, comma, price 15 15,000 double dot. We will add few more data. One, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then name will be Raj from USA and price will be 10,000. Then number 3 Anil from UK, price will be 12,000. Sunil from Canada, it will be 9,000. Fifth one, Shreyas. Country will be China. 11,000. And last one will be Ajay from China. 16,000. Just simply select all and execute it. So all data will be inserted. Then write here select star from customer. Just simply select and execute it. So you can see our data are inserted. Now we will use between operator. So let's start. So write select star from customer where fee price is between 9,000 and 15,000 semicolon. So it will filter the data between 9,000 and 15,000 based upon their price. So let's see. Just simply select and execute it. So you can see 15,000, 10,000, 12,000, 9,000 and 11,000. The prices are between 9,000 to 15,000 are filter out. Second, select star from customer where C price not between 9,000 and 15,000. So it will be displaying the data which is not between 9,000 to 15,000. So let us see. Just simply select and execute this. So only one data which is above 15,000 which does not belong between 9,000 and 15,000, that is my C price is 16,000. So in this way you can filter it out the data based on by using your between operator. So hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, share it and keep supporting me. Bye.